Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Rachel. I'm a speech language pathologist turned homeschool mom to two boys, a kindergartner and a second grader. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about the wonder number 6 leaves from blossom and root, wonders of the plant and fungi kingdom. So let's jump right into this video. So wonder number 6 is talking all about leaves. That's what the unit is going to be focusing on for this week. And I'm sure I'll throw up a picture of what wonder number 6 looks like in the curriculum. But to go over it very simply, you talk about the big picture messages. I usually start that on the first day of the week for us. And then I do some read alouds every single day. And then on our Fun Friday, that's when we do the videos and the student notebook and any of the laboratory section experiments. So for this specific week, on Monday we talked about the big picture messages like I previously said, and then we read some pages from this DK book, Plant. It was a few pages, it took less than 10 minutes, and that was our Monday. And then on Tuesday, we read some pages from Nature Anatomy. And then on Wednesday, we read some pages from DK Eyewitness Tree. And on Thursday, we read some pages from the Tree Book for kids and their grown-ups. And on Friday, we read one of the fun picture books. This is called Yellow Time, and we have since read it to one of my children. Oh my goodness, like at least 10 times, if not 20. He absolutely loves this picture book. It's a very beautiful picture book. So those were our read alouds. Really a deep dive into everything you can possibly know about leaves, like honestly. And all those read alouds really line up nicely with the big picture messages that we started with at the beginning of the week. And to continue on with our Fun Friday, we watched the videos. We typically always watch every single video, and for this week there was a great SciShow Kids one, and then the second one listed was this really cool experiment that we did later on in the lab, where you take a green leaf, you blend it in a blender with rubbing alcohol, and then you take tissue paper and see the separation of the green chlorophyll with the other pigments. So it's really showing that there are different color pigments in a green leaf, just that the green chlorophyll inside the chloroplasts, that is the dominant color in leaves. And it was so cool. We saw some great separation, which I'll show you some film of that later in the video. And after our videos, we go straight into our laboratory section. We did 3 labs this week, which was the most we've ever done, honestly. We did leaf rubbings, we did the chlorophyll extraction experiment, and we did movement of water through leaves. And I'm sure I'll throw in some video of the experiments right here. From the laboratory guide for our wonder number 6 leaves, we did the leaf rubbings, we did the chlorophyll extraction experiment, and we did the movement of water in leaves demo. Now for the leaf rubbings, this is one of my child's leaf rubbings, and this is the chlorophyll extraction experiment. We took a few leaves, blended them up without their stems in rubbing alcohol, and then strained the bits. And now it should overnight on the paper towels extract the chlorophyll from the other pigments. So we will probably see some yellow and some oranges, and those are the other pigments that are not chlorophyll. And then this is our movement of water in leaves demo. Our celery didn't have many leaves, but you can kind of see the blue coming up through the xylem in this one as well. Let's get you a better view. This one, the one that's like all red, that actually got dropped in the red water, but you can kind of see a little of that water being moved up through the xylem. So yeah, we did 3 labs this week. Normally we just do 1, honestly, but the boys had seen in YouTube videos the chlorophyll extraction and the water movement, so we had to do them, of course. Like the boys They love doing experiments they've seen before. It is the next morning and it definitely, the science experiment worked. You can see how the red liquid moved throughout the stem or the of the celery. That's so cool. So here's a better view. You see this was in the alcohol, but this is the chlorophyll, and then here's the yellow pigment. How cool is that, how it was able to separate out? And to wrap up wonder number 6, we go to our student notebooks. Each of my boys has a student notebook. This is my kindergartner's, and I'll show you what he did in his student notebook for the leaves. So he did a leaf rubbing, and then I'm the scribe for him, but he did a great verbal explanation of what he thought was most important in learning about leaves. So you guys, that wraps up what a science unit from Blossom and Root Wonders of the Plant and Fungi Kingdoms looks like. That is what a wonder is. And we learned so much this week, and I absolutely love this curriculum. And if you guys like this video, please let me know in the comments any questions you might have. And with that being said, I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thanks for watching. Bye.